Alright everybody, today I'm in the garden and I am doing a quick video comparing these two plants. Right here I have a Tasmanian mountain pepper, and then here I have a close relative called Drimys Winteri, or winter's bark. This is a video inspired by the YouTube channel Weird Explorer, where he recently did a taste test of these two and actually learned about the Tasmanian mountain pepper as a cold hardy perennial. And I am trying to use these as a alternative to basil, but also black pepper. The Tasmanian mountain pepper makes little berries that are spicy, kind of like blueberries, and I have not got fruit from these plants. Hopefully I will this year. And you can dry those little berries it makes, grind them up, and use them like black pepper. They have a very similar heat profile, even though it's not the same chemical in peppers that makes them spicy, which I think is pepperin. It is something different. And this winter's bark plant is very similar, and I did not expect it though, but its leaves are way bigger. And I'm just going to do a quick taste test. I think it makes fruit that can be used the same way. And then in Weird Explorer's video, if I remember correctly, he actually used the bark and ground that up as a sort of spice, and that worked really well. So I'm really hoping this will be a good way to get some cold hardy perennial spices. All right, so here I'm going to get a little piece of the leaf of the winter's Drimys, or winter's bark. And then here I'm gonna snip off a leaf of the Tasmanian mountain pepper. All right, so obviously mountain pepper leaf, this is almost the full thing. And then here is the winter's bark, much bigger leaf. You can see there are bigger ones on this plant, and I'm sure they get bigger as it ages, but relative to the size, you can see this is not a comparison. So I am going to try the winter's bark first, and it tastes a lot, well, I'd say almost exactly like Thai basil. It's a bit bitter, but nothing crazy, and a bit green, but overwhelmingly it's Thai basil. It's spicy, just like the Tasmanian mountain pepper. I would say maybe not quite as spicy. The Tasmanian mountain pepper leaf, you're chewing on it, is like a 7.5. This is more like a 6, maybe even a 5.5 if you get a more mild leaf. That one is a piece of mature leaf. I'm sure the younger ones aren't as strong. If you're not sure what Thai basil tastes like, it's kind of like a juicy fruit gum. It's like that, but not sweet. So interesting. I can definitely see that really good in cooking. And now we're going to do Tasmanian mountain pepper. Less bitter, and it takes longer to hit you. And then the spice comes, and I would say it gets a little spicier. That leaf was more mild, but usually, maybe it's because I pre-gamed with that.